Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to desqueeze anamorphic footage in DaVinci Resolve. If you've shot video with an anamorphic lens, you'll notice the footage looks squeezed and distorted. This tutorial will show you exactly how to restore it to its proper widescreen aspect ratio so your footage looks cinematic and professional. First, open your DaVinci Resolve application. Once the software loads up, you'll see several tabs along the bottom of your screen. These tabs represent different stages of your editing workflow. For what we need to do today, click on Edit. This takes you into the editing workspace where you can manipulate your video clips and make adjustments to their properties. Now that you're in the Edit tab, take a look at your timeline where your video clips are located. Find the anamorphic clip that appears squeezed and needs correction. Click on that video clip to select it, then right-click on it. A context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Clip Attributes. This opens up a dedicated window where you can modify the technical properties of your selected clip, including how it's displayed and rendered. In the Clip Attributes window, you'll see various settings that control how your footage is processed. Look for the option labeled Pixel Aspect Ratio. This setting is crucial because it determines how the pixels in your footage are interpreted and displayed. Click the drop-down menu beside Pixel Aspect Ratio. You'll see several ratio options appear. For standard anamorphic desqueeze, click on 1.33, then click OK to apply the change. This ratio tells DaVinci Resolve to stretch the pixels horizontally, effectively desqueezing your anamorphic footage back to its intended widescreen format. And that's it. Your anamorphic footage should now display correctly with the proper aspect ratio, revealing that beautiful cinematic wide image you captured. The squeezed look is gone, and your footage now shows subjects and scenes in their natural proportions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.